Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 8 surprising foods you didn't know burn fat. So what exactly qualifies a food to be fat burning, you might ask? Well, they are foods that get your metabolism going, helping you burn fat, or simply keep you feeling full for a longer time. They're the foods you're going to want to stock up on, because of their fat-burning properties. In this video we will tell you about 8 surprising foods that burn fat. Number 1. Guava. Guava not only serves up a ton of vitamin C, but 1 cup has 4 grams of satiating protein. This fruit is one you want to add to your shopping list, if you're trying to drop those unwanted pounds. Number 2. Mustard. Mustard might have a bit of a kick to it, and it's going to help you kick those pounds off too. Scientists at England's Oxford Polytechnic Institute found that eating 1 teaspoon of mustard can actually boost your metabolism up by to 25% hours after you're done eating it. Not a bad deal there. Number 3. Guacamole. Yes, you now have yet another reason to eat guacamole. See, avocados are not only packed with vitamin B6, which fights the stress hormone cortisol that can trigger belly fat, but they provide monounsaturated fat. This is a healthy fat that, according to a study in diabetes care, may actually prevent body fat distribution around your belly. The healthy fats from avocados keep on giving too, as they'll most likely keep you fuller longer. So you won't go looking for a snack, which then leads to you overall consuming more calories. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Chocolate to help burn fat? Yes, you're in luck. Louisiana State University researchers found that chocolate can boost the body's production of gut-healthy polyphenolic compounds, including a fatty acid that turns off genes linked to inflammation, and encourage the body to burn fat as fuel. Now that's just truly amazing. Number 5. Lemon water. It shouldn't be much of a surprise that water is necessary to keep your metabolism functioning to the best of its ability. But by adding lemon to it, you're serving up D-limonene, an antioxidant in lemon peel that one study showed had therapeutic effects on metabolic disorders in mice with high-fat diet-induced obesity. Number 6. Pork tenderloin. Go ahead and have some pork tenderloin for dinner. A study published in the journal Nutrients had overweight subjects eat a diet rich in fresh lean pork, and after 3 months, the participants saw a significant reduction in waist size, BMI, and belly fat, as pork protein is thought to contribute to greater fat burning. Number 7. Red wine. Go ahead and have that glass of red wine. See, red wine contains resveratrol, a highly anti-inflammatory polyphenol. Number 8. Coffee. Coffee is great for jump-starting your metabolism, and as long as you're drinking it black without any unhealthy creamers and artificial sweeteners, you're on the right track. According to a study published in Physiology and Behavior, those who drank caffeinated coffee had a 16% higher average metabolic rate than those who drank decaf. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.